Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is what was once the abandoned apartment building. Effectively abandoned, and I thought I'd show you what they've done with it. They're not done yet. And every time I ask them, when are you going to get done, they keep giving me a different timetable. But they have made incredible progress, what it used to be and what it is. And they're still building the new stairs. And you can see all this scaffolding here. But this place looked like a wreck last year, and it was vacant and unrepaired for 3 years. You don't want to take a step off of there. It'll be a long drop from that second floor. But they have put new siding up here, new windows, no air conditioners, oddly enough. I don't know what they're going to do. People are going to roast in there in the summer when they do open this up. But I go by here just about every day to feed the cats. So this is what this building looks like. And one day people will be able to move in here again. Okay. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay dry and warm and safe. And as I head down to complete cat feeding, Mama Cat and Kitten just got fed. Here's the side of the building. This is for those of you who did not see the original video. And you can see it's